they will squeeze all the venom out. You know, the bees can, right? Yeah. So they'll squeeze it all out. It'll go out and then they will eat. Wow. Yeah.
Alright guys, we just saw a nest right on the top of a lovely tree, and Subbu confirms that it's ant's nest. It's amazing that it's right up there. So let's get some comments from each one of our members here to see what could be a good description of a caption for this amazing piece of work done by ants.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Output of amazing hard work and creativity. Teamwork at its best.
Lovely.
Nature's architecture at play.
वाओ, ये है हमारा नसीब. देखा कुछ ऐसा अजीबोगरीब. Amazing, totally amazing.
I think this is the invisible beauty in our usual surroundings.
Beautiful.
Subbu.
Sheer brilliance.
But from here you can't take out the net. No, I'm looking for a net on the bridge. But can you break out from here?
Okay, this was an amazing start to a Sunday. We've been living here for such a long time. We've been walking around. We've never really paid attention to birds. So today we saw 24 birds. We saw 22 birds, and then we heard 2 birds, but we couldn't really see them. And I was just amazed at, the variety of birds that we have here in Augusta. So thanks a lot, Subbu.
So for me, every morning when I'm not going to office, I lie in my bed and hear to the birds chirp, right? It's so good feeling, but I was never able to kind of recognize what birds were other than maybe 1 or 2 birds here and there. Today we got to kind of recognize about 22 of the birds, and this was really amazing. Kudos to the kind of knowledge, and thank you, Rafiq bhai, for setting this up. Otherwise it would not have been possible.
Absolutely.
Amazing. For years I've been walking. I never knew so many birds existed there. Beautiful. And Subbu, my God, he can just recognize by seeing them in the air. It's unimaginable. And Rafiq Bab, to kya kahe Rafiq bhai ke baad, नायाब चीज है, नायाब.
Well, I mean, being in Augusta for so many years, I've observed so many different birds that come here, and all the birds that I used to travel far away from Bangalore to be able to see those birds. It is so awesome that we are able to see all these birds in Augusta itself. And it's a pleasure to have, walk our people of Augusta and inform them of all the birds that we have here, name the birds and spread the knowledge. And it's a pleasure anytime.
Hey guys, such an amazing thing. Thanks to everyone who just participated. For me, I think, like all of you would agree, this is a heaven on earth. If someone says Kashmir, I would say it's Augusta as well. When we walked around, many precious moments. 23, 24 birds. I mean, lovely birds we have never seen. But when we walk around, you don't pay attention. So this is a great opportunity. When you pause, be more intentional, be more deliberate. You can see a lot of birds, the colors, and the amazing creation of the God. For me, I think it is watching 23 angels come to Augusta. So next time you want to enjoy life, get up in the morning, join this Augusta Birds Enthusiast Club, walk around, and enjoy yourself. Thank you.